To leave a review on Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia website. If you haven't already, log into your profile or register for an account. On the Expedia homepage, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including a language changer, a search bar, and your profile information. To leave a review, click on the Trips option, located at the top of the screen. From there, find the specific booking for which you want to leave a review and click on the option to write a review. You'll be asked to rate different aspects of your stay, such as cleanliness, location, and service. Share your thoughts and experiences in the provided text box, being honest and detailed so others can benefit from your feedback. Once you're satisfied with your review, click the Submit button. This process allows you to provide valuable feedback to others, and it's a straightforward way to share your experiences with hotels and services booked through Expedia.